Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Chris Designs. Okay, so I just want to quickly show you guys how to import a Figma file, right? .fig file, right? You simply uh click on import, then from your computer you'll be able to just select the file and it kind of loads, right? Um, yeah, you can see it's opening up right here. Sometimes it takes time, like a while, depending on the size of the file, right? If the size is light, it's easily open. It's open already, right? If the size is small, it's usually open. If the size is large, it takes time. So that's yeah, that's that for important files on Figma. So along the way, if you're given the resource, if you're given the resource in Figma and .fig file, you could easily import it, then continue your learning from there. Uh, Basically, you always get shared file through links, but that's one of those things.